So here we are. Today I'm going to fly from the Tower Hill. I don't have a vehicle to go to the top to the Tower Hill. Like you can see, in the backside of me is the Tower Hill. So and that's my landing spot. Like you can see, that is my bike. Local peoples are not supporting. Like since I am an independent flyer, I am asked their help to go to the top with their vehicle, and I told I can share the amount, but they are not supporting actually. They want to take a course which will cost more bucks, which I don't want to do. So I am just trekking with my backpack. Like it contains my glider harness. It is around 20 kg. So I have to carry this till the top by the track, so that I can come back, fly and land in near my bike, pack my glider and go back. Let's have a trek. It's good for health, so let's enjoy the track. Everything happens for a reason. Since today is my first day and a solo trek to the top of the Tower Hill, I'm little confused here. There are two spots splitting. One is going to the left and one is going to the right. I really don't know which one I should choose. But the Tower Hill is towards my left, so I think I should take this path, and probably it should take me there. Let's go check that out. I absolutely don't have any clue where I am. I have gained some altitude, but I don't feel even a single breeze. And the worst part is, like, I don't see any gliders or any other pilot flying or getting ready. I don't know what I'm going to do. The trek is also a little difficult. It's not difficult in terms of the hike, but I have to carry my backpack, which is 1/3 of my total weight, to the top. So my plan is to go to the top, wait for some time, look for some other gliders or some other pilots. If they turn out, then that's good. Otherwise, I don't know. I should go there and decide. Let's go. After 1 hour very breathtaking trek, I just came to the top. I think now you can see the tower, so that's why they have named this as a Tower Hill. Actually, while coming, I got stuck in some of the bushes, and I heard some noises also, like some animals, like small animals. I was a little scared, but I didn't let the confidence go. I thought I should go to the top, whatever it takes. That confidence took me here. So when there is an achievement, there should be some obstacles, which makes you to feel the success in a much higher way. If I came to this top in a very easy way, then I would not be this much happy, but have crossed some tough paths. I was really happy when I see this top and the clear road which is in back of me. Great, but the worrying thing again is there is no pilot and no glider is flying right now. I will go to there, watch for some time, then I have to take my go. Let's see. I am in. So right now I am in the top of the takeoff point. Unfortunately, there is no one here. No other pilots, no other gliders flying here. I always used to take risks, but all those risks will be in a very calculated manner. But I don't know what to do now. I can see that landing point, and this is a good takeoff point. The wind is also good, but it's my go whether I should fly alone or I should go back down by walking. I think I should take some time to think about this and decide further. I have waited for 10 more minutes, but no one has arrived, and I don't think someone will arrive after this. So I have decided to fly on my own. My aim is to inflate, take off, clear takeoff, clear the runway, go to the landing as soon as possible and land safely. Okay. I'm on. Give me some break. Calculate the height. Always check the landing spot. All the way to top. I just need a safe and pakka landing. That's what I need. ठीक है क्या
ब्लैक हो जाएगा गाड़ी, काला
काला हो जाएगा सर।
इसलिए बोला था मैं पीछे जाऊँ।
I took a very risk. These small guys are from these small villages, so they are telling no one is flying because there is no air. So don't fly solo here, like that they told. So anyways, happy landings. I landed very safely. I was very cautioning throughout the entire flight. I was checking my terrain, always checking my landing spot. I was so clear that I should land in a safe way. So pakka landing. But I should study more about this terrain, about the air, everything. So they are packing my glider for me.
पैकिंग बॉय,
Yeah.
यप हियर पैकिंग बॉय।
Soon तुम भी पायलट है, ठीक है?
मैं भी पायलट हूँ,
अच्छा, एक्रो पायलट।
एक्रो पायलट।
एक्रो पायलट है। अच्छा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। ठीक है।